Hey guys, what's up? My name is John.
My name is Jamie.
And today we're going to be talking about Samsung's Galaxy A50 and Galaxy A30. Now, these two phones are new members of Samsung's mid-range A series lineup. They were announced in Mobile World Congress on the second day, so they're very new. And today we're going to be talking about both of them.
So basically the A50 and A30 are mid-rangers. I'm not sure if they're the global versions of the M series phones that was launched in India.
Yeah.
But in terms of the specs that you have inside, the A50 has a Exynos 9610 and the M30 has an Exynos 7880 processor, which is our kind of old processors. I think it's a year old to
it's a year
or two old. Yeah. So, but these are still the mid-range processor that Samsung uses for most of their phones. So I'm guessing that they'll still perform quite well.
So disclaimer right off the bat, we don't know if these phones will arrive in the Philippines. I know the M30 has already been confirmed by Samsung to launch probably next week as soon as they see this. So I don't know about the availability of these phones. At least we're here, we're going to be talking about them. So the idea behind the A50 and the A30 are basically just phones, like they're mid-range phones. They have a lot of the same features, or at least approximations of the same features that are on the more expensive Galaxy smartphones. So the A50 has a Super AMOLED display and an in-screen fingerprint scanner and three cameras, while the M30 has like two cameras but still has a Super AMOLED display but a fingerprint scanner in the rear.
So Samsung has kind of avoided the notch until the release of the M series, and you'll be seeing that on the A series as well, with their marketing term for the notch, which is the Infinite U display. So
water drop!
It's basically a water drop notch, I guess. So aside from that, again, triple cameras on the A50, double cameras on the A30. We weren't really able to spend that much time with the display units that they have here at MWC to really see what they perform, like the performance side of things. But as for feel, they're made of plastic, so they're very light. They have pretty good ergonomics. I think just like your polycarbonate plastic phones, I wish there was a bit more heft to them.
But they look great. If you actually take a look at these phones from afar, if you didn't know they were plastic, you wouldn't actually guess they were plastic until you finally pick it up. They shimmer. The A50 has a very nice color, like a weird pearlescent pearl color, like that shimmers in the light. And the A30, the silver. I don't know if Jamie will probably be showing you B-roll of this. It just shimmers and it's really nice looking. Even if it's plastic, the phones really look good.
So, did we get any pricing on this phone?
No. So both.
No.
So no. So both the A50 and the A30 are still unpriced as of press time. There's still no pricing on them. So I would probably guess they'd be on the higher.
Yeah. It's
20,000, like around 19 to 18,000, 20,000. I would be surprised if it goes over 20,000 pesos, because Samsung right now is trying to regain lost ground to their Chinese competitors like Huawei, like Xiaomi. Xiaomi #1. They are trying to make Xiaomi not #1 anymore, at least in the Philippines.
So I think that's it for this quick look on the A series phones that were launched here at MWC. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, just leave them down below, and we'll try to get to them as soon as we can.
Thank you, Cherry Mobile, for actually sending us over, or extending our stay here in Mobile World Congress. CherryRoam and Cherry Mobile, thank you very much for the help. If you like our video, like, subscribe, comment. If you have any other questions, drop them below. We're going to be reading and we're going to be answering. Thank you very much, Unbox. Peace.